Hi guys, I'm Cassandra. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I love new friends. Hopefully you will become a subscriber. Welcome back to day 4 of the Love and Obsession series. If you did not get the chance to watch the last 3 episodes, I will have the playlist pinned up top. Today we're going to be doing some pink and red Valentine's Day makeup, so let's get started. We are halfway through this series and I did 2 toned down looks and a lookbook. I think today we gonna go all out, okay? We're going to start with eyebrows, as always. I know some people like to do eyebrows in the middle of their makeup, but that's not my thing. We got P. Louise on the base, Boomer number 5. I got this base when I was in the Morphe store, which is closed now. That sucks. But I definitely gotta get some more because fire. I use it as a concealer under my eyes too. Fire. So our eyes are prepped. So let's get into the look. I am super excited about today. Clearly, I love doing super outrageous makeup. And I haven't done any in a minute, to be honest. I'm gonna start with a light pink. And I'm gonna start up and work my way down. I'm gonna go in with this pink right in my crease. My hooded eyes kind of give me a cheat, so what I do is put some I'm going to put pink in this front area here. And here I'm going to use red. Pink just to clean up the cut crease. We're gonna move on and we're gonna come back to the eyes later. Primer. Under eye. I'm going over my cream contour with my powder contour. And now I'm wiping off all of this excess powder back to the eyes. Ooh, I should have put my blush on first, huh? Look up tonight. I'm gonna go in with blush, lighting color. I'm gonna use as a highlight or a lip. Okay guys, this is our finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to me. If you want to follow me on any of my other socials, I am flawlesspink_ on everything. This has been another successful episode of our Love and Obsession series. Please come back tomorrow to finish watching the rest. If you missed episode 1 through 3, I will have it at the end of this video. And see you tomorrow. Never could hide, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off.